In this video, I'm going to show you how to purchase TaxSlayer. Now, the first thing you have to do here, you actually want to be inside your tax return, and up here top left, you'll be able to see which package you're currently using. So I'm currently on the Classic, but if I want to purchase any of the other ones, you want to go to Help and Support up top, and then first you want to click on I can't find the form I'm looking for, and then you want to click on I need to speak to a representative. Now, if you're currently on the free version, you can go to click on Upgrade where it says Live Chat, and it's going to automatically upgrade you to premium. Now don't worry, this is not going to just basically set the premium in here. You can now change this, but that's the first step you have to take. You then want to go to Help and Support up top right, then you want to click on I have a technical question, and then how do I change my package. From here, click on Switch Package, and this is going to take you to a page where basically you can see all the different packages you can have, okay? And this is the page where you'll be able to purchase TaxSlayer. So here you'll see all of them. There we go. We have the Simply Free, the Classic, Premium, and then the Self-Employed. Select the one you actually want to have and switch to it. For example, the Classic one, I'm going to click on Switch, press Continue. There we go. It's going to switch over, and that way I've successfully set the Classic for my 2025 return. And of course, I could go ahead and finish this, and at the end, I'll be able to purchase it because I've selected the Classic one. So that's the easiest way to do it. I hope this video helped you out. If it did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.